Hello everyone, I'm Said Mandegar. Welcome back to yet another tutorial. So great to have you here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to render a day and night scene at the same time. And also I'm gonna introduce you the new override material option, which save your time significantly. So let's dive in. As you know, before we render our final result, we render a test using override material feature to make sure about the light contrast, camera position, and so on. But in previous version, we couldn't see through the glasses cause the override material covers everything with that simple white material we assigned. So we had to exclude every object that had a glass material, which could take a lot of time to find and select all of them, right? In latest V-Ray 5 update, there's a new option that allows you to prevent the glasses and everything that has a reflection with one click. Press on override material. In that new dialog box, choose refraction. You can also preserve the bumps, opacity, or self-illumination. Press OK to apply that change. Now you don't need to exclude the windows anymore. Let's take another render to see the result. As you see, now I can see through the windows and also check my interior lightings as well. Notice that all objects have refraction in their materials will be excluded from the override material feature. Let me show you the second part of this tutorial, which is about rendering two scenes at once after a very short break. Alright, as you see, here I added two V-Ray Doom lights with different HDRI maps. That's called V-Ray Multiple Additive Doom Lights. Next, you need to add elements like V-Ray Light Mix, V-Ray Denoiser, and V-Ray Alpha. Light mix helps us having different lighting modes. Here you see all the lights are mixed. I'm gonna turn off all the lights to see them one by one. Let's start with the night scene. Now I can see through the windows thanks to the new override feature I explained earlier. Let's turn on the interior lights and adjust them a little. I also add two more lights under the tree to look better. Once you're done with post-production, you can save all layers separately and edit them more inside other applications like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Lightroom. You can check the interactive card I put up in here to learn more about post-production. Now let's check the daylight render. Let me turn it on. You can adjust the light amounts or change the light warmth. Once you save the layers, you can use Adobe Photoshop to replace the sky. Recently, I published a video about replacing the sky in Photoshop. You can check the interactive card I put up in here to learn more about it. That's it for me guys, hope you enjoy it. Please hit that like button if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell to be notified about the next video. See you in the next video. Have fun!